Okay, filming. These are the guys. We are in Grand Street. Jerry doing the climb of a tight waterfall. And Tom just passed me from below. And Dom is behind Jerry.
Wow! Ito na ba yung lalim niya?
Oh! Malalim pre.
Ito.
Sige, yung ilaw mo, nasa akin.
Okay.
Doing the climb. Slowly. There he goes.
Hindi na siyang gusto dito.
Low Fat Village Caver. Bawal ang mataba.
Ano?
Ha?
Is this mineral?
Yep.
So is this mineral water?
Bong, chilling out. Ano pre, malamig?
Ha? Okay. Wala.
Is this mineral water?
Oh, yeah.
The same thing they put in bottle?
I think it's purified.
Okay.
They're hard water. Still need to be... Okay, next.
Wow!
Andong, completely blocking the waterfall. Oh!
Yes. So I think it's great. This paper is great. Yeah.
Yeah. Because it was coming from the lake.
Yeah. Perfect. Absolutely.
Unless there are people up there.
Beautiful. Asa pala ako eh. Woo! Again?
And up ahead is another waterfall. And get back to you later.